Hello, Bright Minds. Welcome back to BrightMind CBSE Class, where learning becomes easy, smart, and fun. I hope you are doing great and ready for the another exciting lesson.
In our previous lesson, we learned what grammar is and why grammar is important. Today, we are beginning our journey through the parts of speech with nouns. Okay, have you ever wondered why different words have different jobs in a sentence? Let's find out. Imagine a sentence is a building. Okay, a building needs different parts to make a proper building. Okay, in the same way, a sentence is made up of some words and each word has a particular job. These jobs are called parts of speech in a sentence. Okay, so there are eight main parts of the parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Okay, here noun also has a subparts and it has also a eight parts. Noun also has eight parts. Okay, so we are going to learn today just one part, just introduction of the noun. Okay, so let's begin. Noun, the naming word. Naming word. Okay, tell me, what is noun? Noun is a word that names a person, place, animal, thing, or idea. Let's think about the world around you. Example, or we can say that um, let's write person, place, animal, thing, or an idea. So, what we see around us, we can say that person as a teacher, we can name as a person as a teacher, place, school, animal, dog, thing, let's take a book, or idea. Idea, let's take a honesty. Okay, so all of these are nouns. Okay, so let's take an example in a sentence. So I will write one sentence here. Ria reads a book in the classroom. So let's find the nouns in this sentence. Okay, so let us check. Here is the noun first, Ria, a book, or a classroom. So it means Ria, book, or classroom. It means here Ria is a person, book is a thing, or classroom is a place. Right? So all three are nouns. Okay, sometimes noun can name ideas too. A noun doesn't always have to be something we can touch. Okay, look at this sentence. So I will write a sentence here. Let's take one more example. So I will write here honesty is important. Okay, so here can we touch honesty here? No, but honesty is an idea, so it is still a noun. Okay, so let's take some more example. Like we can write like this: love, happiness, courage, kindness, freedom. Okay, these are all nouns. Okay, we can't touch it, but we can feel it. Okay, so let's take one more example sentence. So I will write here the teacher gave the students a book. So let's find the nouns in this sentence. So here is a noun teacher, students, and a book, right? So here teacher is a person, students is a pupil, or book is a thing, right? So these are all nouns. Easy trick to remember noun is whenever you see a word, ask yourself, is this naming a person, place, animal or thing, or any idea? If yes, it may be a noun. So here noun also divided in 8 types. Okay? Noun are mainly 8 types of noun. We will learn types of noun in our upcoming videos. So that's all for today's lesson. Hope you understood about noun. If yes, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to BrightMind CBSE. Till the time, keep learning, keep practicing and remember, nouns gives us names. Nouns are the labels of our world. Happy learning. Thank you.